And also conduit, come sunshine with any new informate where they on ground. We will open our phone line when that time reach for now to do it in. For those of now we miss out for the week's program, at least now if you contribute for any story of this story we interest to now, and also put in our own opinion, talk about it being now for body. My name never say change. My name now Unkubi, and this now as it.
On Monday, we tear the nylon come out on top all the action story wey happen for weekend. And after we discuss that one finish, everybody body begin to shake. Sake of say, wetin carry first for news get to do with the ministerial list wey me say Oga Presido send go give the House of Senate. We can't shift enter Tuesday because now that day, now in Senate go resume plenary and Oga Senate President Oga Bukola Saraki go tear the nylon come out on top of the envelope and read the names of everybody when they inside the list. And at around 10 a.m., he can carry the envelope, tear them, bring out all the names, can count out the 21 people when Oga Presido don't compare. Say these people, he go like work with them as a minister to move this our country forward. Some reaction don't follow this action. A lot of people they talk say the people when they this list say some of them are people when we say they don't there for government since far back as 20 years. Say they don't get any business for inside government. Other people come talk say these people they qualified to do the work and they believe say they go do the work well. Some other people still come they argue say some of them get corruption case when hang for their neck like necklace. Say Oga President don't even supposed to mention their name at all. Say if they don't answer them, now be say wahala dey. But the one way paying people pass now, it get to do with you to them. They talk say, he be like say you to them, no dey inside this list. Oh, and if Oga President won't get them right, he must do am well. Now, ministerial list carry first for the news this week. But other important things happen, and we go discuss them so that when we call to chook mouth for inside this matter, now all these issues now we go address.
Yes, and we go also be very much aware, say, on that same issue, we also bring into Obunga guest yesterday, Al Jafar and Oga Bolo Oba. When they come do it, they can also chook mouth for the matter, also express their own feeling about the ministerial list and waiting, then see where they comfort for Nigeria and the country as a whole. Well, you go also see, say, yesterday's as they hot, they very, very hot, even extremely hot, because if you see the reactions of our guests, you're going to say, yes, some days somehow, nobody say they're disappointed, but the question they come to ask, we say, why you go take Oga President that long when you don't already know, when you know, say the people won't be ministers, people where they in backyard. And apart from that, you can also kind of enter the issue of youth, just as Chukwu talk. Say, are the youth really prepared? Because out of the list, we don't see any youth at all for that list. Now we call the question ourselves, are the youth really prepared? You can also hear say the argument here that yesterday was they prepared. Waiting with the platform they don't place down. They know they prepared and all that. So now waiting really happened yesterday will be Thursday. And basically now about ministerial list now take over the week.
Today, we go talk some other stories that will come up for inside news. Even though ministerial list carry first, some other things happen. And as we talk on top of City Hot, based on say all the important issues when they happen for Nigerian political arrangements, now we carry come to discuss. We don't allow the ministerial list come down, and we go move into other stories. But before we enter the other stories, we go still discuss something about the ministerial list. But this one get to do with what will happen next week. Everybody knows say Senate them then carry date October 13th. Say it will be time for all the people in inside that list to show face one by one before the House of Senate to answer questions as it take concern waiting their name they do inside ministerial list, some cases when they are around them and the kind work when they go do. That now waiting people they call screening before they go fit talk say okay you don't qualify, you don't pass to go work with Oga Presido so that we go move this our country forward. They can set guideline on how they go take go about them, and two major umbrella and they carry put for down. The first one I say our constitution, that is the body of laws for inside this our country, when they guide the way when governments they work and how all of us supposed to behave for this country. Say now then go look. That is the 1999 constitution as amended. They also talk say their standing order when stipulate, I go speak English, stipulate how they will take the behave. If he come to the look all the way when we say these people go take become minister, then they go check. But you get one important one when they carry come when some people come to say, if this one is there, some people will have serious problem. Then talk say if they want as they screen you, make you carry your asset declaration form come. Say they go carry big calculator. The one wey they use for olden days, they go carry and put for down like this. As you submit your asset declaration, they go, they check am, they calculate, they check am, they calculate, they check am, they calculate. Say if 15 kobo, hey, if we add or miss, you are in serious trouble. So for the level running for this country now, it be like say accountability. Now you go they carry first. We give them and say, make them carry go with that one.
Oga Muhammadu Buhari don set up the pace, and I dey very happy to see at least the Senate also will follow the same platform. Say okay, on top of the ministerial, asset declaration, we go also ensure say anybody who want to take up any responsibility go need to also do it. Go also need to declare in asset. From that story, we will also enter one of the interesting story wey happened over the week. We will know even Chuka. We know say one of them, the elder statesman for Niger Delta, that is Niger Delta, the South region, will be Oga Edwin Clark. Recently, he come out, come talk one thing. Where he talk say the government say Oga Jonah during his own era say you know even too struggle fight corruption at all until politics because say but say Oga Jonah na good man no. But that corruption thing, say he knows to fight them. But this present government will be Oga Muhammadu Buhari say it really dey out to do it to fight corruption. People come they talk say, hey, Oga Clark, how this kind matter, this kind of talk go come out from your mouth? No be you be the same person wey do it, wey carry Jonah for head, say Jonah my pikin. If you no go second term, nobody go. This kind of thing they come out from your own mouth, Oga Clark. And if you can also see people don't react, even some youth, some Ijaw this thing, some group of youth from Ijaw don't even react. Say, Oga Clark, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. How many times we tell you? How you go come and come they talk all this way they talk? When we enter this government, nobody you the among people even say you spoil the government. Nobody they encourage say Jonah enter, go, and all that. Say make you just respect yourself. See, your own government don't pass. You just go respect yourself. Sit down one place. Now one of the stories we make headline like this week be that.
We go come enter the third one, and the third one get to do with former Minister of Petroleum Resources for inside Obodo, Nigeria, Madam Dizani Alison Madueke. This one don dey carry first for the different parts of Nigerian news. But based on say the ministerial list get plenty ginger pass am, e still surmount am. Na English surmount am. But Madam Dizani Alison Madueke, the kind case when dem carry put for her neck now, even if he go MFM or Shilo, e no go easy to comot because he must answer his name. The former central bank governor, Sanusi Lamido Sanusi, bin come out and say $20 billion. Say the thing, just wear concon shoe, rub lipstick, wear short skirt, waka comot for inside our...
These guys, nobody recognize why they come out.
Waka comot for inside Nigeria account. That time people come account and say, it be like saying no show of the figure. Say the money no reach 20. Now so we sweep the case. It be like say everybody forget them. But no they sleep. Since 2013 with our former minister, and now they don't come get the conclusion of everything. And now their own money they can't use bring them out. Now that money when they use bring them out, now maybe we shall try because we don't see dollar finish for inside this country. But pounds, we never see them finish. As they come talk, say 13 billion pounds. Even picking when they born that day for hospital, as
no. He gets one footage where I say recently. What people will say, as they born them, as they come, you get what you see. Immediately, he withdraw. Remember, my eyes will not see this. Go back. I reject you. This case be like, well, just as we all talk, Pekin, make it just hear, say, Pekin, make it hear this kind of amount. Even from your mama womb, goes, hey! Maybe from there, you got to make your investigation to know who this person be. Exactly. Even before you come out, enter this one.
I say for one hospital, you get one small Pekin, as the husband, as the mama, they feed them. There's not the mama just change the news channel to TV. That's what GBK just read the news, say 13 billion pounds they miss. Say the Pekin just shout, Jesus!
Pekin they just born.
Whenever even the Pekin shout, Jesus!
You see the strength of the money, 13
billion pounds. Billion pounds.
Equivalent of that same 20 billion.
And as the case dey like this, they talk say court, don't talk say, Madam Alison Dizani Madueke, you no go fit comot for the United Kingdom until April 2016. So she be like say she don't consent a text message to her friends therefore you say make dem help her pack her clothes dem inside Ghana must go.
Okay, make them send her to am.
Make dem send her because the holiday when she dey do
when she fit possibly spend there.
e go reach after Easter for 2016.
Either way.
Before she come back. Our own na say all the people wey be say occupy position for inside this country when dem give the power to manage money wey belong to all of us. We no talk say you chop money, we no talk say you thief money, but somehow if monkey hand enter inside the arrangement, abeg make sure say you dey there till dem comot the monkey hand.
Abi at least
but we are not saying
we can never say
we can never.
They don't go hear am for our mouth. We never said so, we will not say so. But because of how you understand. From that story we go enter another story, and the story we enter now about the Fulani herdsmen. We know very much aware say last month Fulani, some alleged Fulani headsmen, according to it, carry leg with their Jaguda attitude, enter one of Nigeria's top and senior politician will be Oga Olufalaye farm for Ondo State, do it, come back the man, kidnap him, carry him commode, come they demand for ransom until somehow, whether they pay the ransom or they no pay. Either way, say the man can eventually do it in command. Right about now, come here say the same Jaguda people, alleged Jaguda people, don't carry leg, enter that same farm again, no. They don't carry leg, enter that same Oga Olufalaye farm again. Unto which level? So that is why they shout now, say, hey, we thought we are free from this matter. Say they don't carry leg, enter again. No, Nigerians, government, una they here, make na do something about this matter right now before do it, before you go enter level where we know we feel control. Now so Boko Haram take start. Make we start to tell ourselves now, I beg. Respect ourselves. Our government also make them look into this matter. Very true. It is very, very important to make our government people then rise to the occasion, especially as we get to do with these Fulani headsmen, because then talk say now from clap. Now in dance they start, and when dance don't start, depending on the kind of music when they play. Now gradually, the party go end quick. No, na small tempo. If don't enter, but they increase and they increase and they increase and they increase. You know, as we take that for church now, where we say that's if you don't enter that spiritual mood. You not even go there. You know, we they take the door for church. They talk like say you they go church. Which church you they go? We when we even suppose they use church, they do example. We know they even they use them. You know how we they do for church. Now they come here, come they deceive Nigerians. Which they talk the time when you go church like 1990 waiting. Come here say we dey offering, you know they pay tithe, you know they pay. Come here they say we dey. You follow for people when they cause all this problem when they face for this country. We dey do am for church. Rewind that way. The time when you go church. No. Rewind that way. Just talk that. Say I feel among people they do it. Talk am. If not talk am, it's okay. If talk that, you need to repeat that now. So repeat am. No. As I talk, repeat am. If you say this time and they even put the cap. Now the other way, you see him, you don't enter on that red level now. Repeat, talk that way. Talk now. Person no be just talk like say angels they talk, make you join talk. What do you talk? What do you mean of talk? What do you talk? I go say I government. I be government official where so I go tell I don't put this for country. Nigerians now bring your voice down. I beg, make na come vindicate me. See as people they take put for trouble. Bring your voice down. Why I go bring my voice down? What do you mean of that? You said it for Nigeria. Nigeria go look this negotiate say yes. Now true be waiting they talk. Where how take contribute to why you dey shout for here now? This time when they talk say some people name they inside ministerialist say they get case. You know come that one. Now this one when I talk now I come make you dey shout. So you even get the liver, the obi, ikrobi to the response to my own argument, to the response to my own reaction. Which your own reaction are the response to? After accusing me of being among people when we talk say people name they inside ministerialist say youth no what do you talk? My name there. When we talk say one person be gubernatorial candidate of a party and they talk say 11 billion naira case there. What do you talk? You come talk anything when I talk. You come. Is that the criteria for calling me say is it not part of it? When you see the truth and you don't talk am, is it not part of it? I'm not talk true. Not let me first for you. Now church matter first talk. They will come on cap for me say. What you kind? Good morning, I got to go there. Good morning, Carlo. Good morning, yeah. Oga Kalu, how Enugu day today? Enugu day fine. Ride on, we dey hear you. Okay. Now, Oga to go there. Why they fight my man now, Gubi? In fact, you see? I just dey talk now, they threaten me. Okay, it's Gubi, make you relax now. Okay, for your sake, I go relax. Okay, relax. Now, when these people they talk about this ministerial, say youth no, they say, how come youth? People where they work for Wazobia, they are not youth. They be youth now, at least.
may they just try join us now. Now how
Abi?
train they move now?
Anyway, we still dey hope say they go do it. They will still integrate you because since the list never still come out and since there are other appointments who go also follow suit, make we just dey hope say youths go there among those other lists.
Very, very true.
Okay. So with these Fulani people, what we go do? And maybe not tell Nigeria now. Maybe they provide ranch for.
Hey, Oga Kalu, we don't lose that call. I believe say wetin you wan contribute about the Fulani people na very, very important one. And when we go this break, come back, we will continue that discussion, emphasize on am. Because a lot of people don talk say, if we no address this issue today, the kind thing when Boko Haram come turn into, e be like say na this one go turn into Ramo. But we go this break, come back and continue with our discussion. No go anywhere. Now still as in the heart.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.